Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of Descriptive. Today, I'm going to build a Lego Catapult to destroy that palm tree. Let's get building. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start on the technical base. So you're going to take 6 of these large plates, just like this. 6 large plates. That's how we're going to connect them, just like this. And we're going to put some connector pins in between. So we're going to connect this side. Each other. This side on each other using 8 connector pins. Just put them on like this. Get them grouped together first before you connect both sides. Just like that. So now put them together like this using 6 more. Boom. Just like that. So now, we take 2 of these adapters. So it goes from regular, regular Lego, to technical. So you can connect from 2 different spots. 2 different types. So you can put them everywhere where the 2 meet up on the edges. So here, 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 here. Just like that. There you go. Now, I'm going to take these, so it could be 2x2 regular Lego piece and any type of other one, but anything over this size here. So we're going to put this back on here. And we're going to attach it to this Lego. This is a 48 by 48 Lego base plate. Really big. I got it at Target. And yeah, it's really cool. It's just so big, but it doesn't have attachments to the bottom. Kind of sucks, but it's okay. And then we're gonna just attach them on all the sides that you put those adapters on. This is gonna keep it from wiggling on the base plate, so sturdy. Alright, I'm not gonna bore you with putting all this on. So this all of this is basically, like, I made a castle wall, which I was going for around here. So I'm about to do that in a second. But first, take 4 extra large motors. This is your balance. And you're gonna put them on all 4 corners. This is just for weight balance, because this thing has a lot of power. There. Now it's got some weight to it. Now, if you're wondering, this cut that I got on my arm, dog scratched me this morning, so pretty bad. But it's okay. It's not that. It's okay. Alright, I'm not gonna bore you with all the castle wall building. It's gonna take forever. So I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse for you guys. This has been a Bricks Crafter production. Just kidding. Just you wait for part 2 of the Catapult. YouTube Bomb Tree. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.